Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to message in TikTok without phone number. It's pretty easy and quick to do so. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. In order to send text message on TikTok without a phone number, here's what you can do. Go to your TikTok application. From your homepage of TikTok, go and tap on the Me button at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile. Now if you go to the three dots at the upper right corner and go to Manage Account, you'll be able to see that I don't have my phone number linked to my TikTok. To be able to send text message on TikTok, you must register your phone number as well. But to be able to send text message even without a phone number, for example, if you don't want to link your phone number on your TikTok, or if you don't have a phone number at all, then what you can do is go ahead and send a friend request to one of your friends on TikTok. Before you can send text message on TikTok without a phone number, the person must be on your friend list. Simply, from your home page of TikTok, tap on the Me button at the bottom right. Go to the human plus icon at the upper left corner and find a user that you'd like to add on your TikTok first. Once you're a friend with a contact, you can simply go visit their profile and tap on the message button from their profile. Now, simply go ahead and in the send a message text field, type in your message that you'd like to send. Tap on the paper airplane icon at the bottom right and you'll be able to send a text message to one of your contacts that you already are friends on without phone number. The message will be directly sent to the user and the user will be able to reply to your TikTok messages. But remember that you'll need to be friends on TikTok in order to do so. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.